Hey guys. So I wanted to. My baby's crying. He's just sleepy. His teeth are coming in, so he's just moody. How y'all doing? If you're watching live, let me know where you're watching from. If you're watching the replay, so you're on my list, right? You're everywhere because this one video I'm sending to all of my sources. But what I wanted to talk about was cash flow and credit. And this is something that a lot of people don't talk about. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm cleaning my bathroom. And I was thinking about taxes. So the products that I use to clean my bathroom, we're going to keep this short and sweet because I don't have a lot of time. And I know you guys just don't either. Your lunch break is probably about over or you're about to go on it. So one way that you can save money with taxes is through what you buy for your home, like cleaning products. So I get all my cleaning products from a supplier. So I can actually save money by buying my own cleaning products or buying cleaning products through this through this vendor. So I get my cleaning products. So we have home-based businesses, right? So this is just a quick little tip for you. If you want to save money, if you keep track of what you spend on your cleaning products and get it from a particular source, then it can actually save you money when it comes to tax season. It could get you like a credit. So if you want to learn more about that, click the link in my bio, income shifting, and learn how you can do that. So I have what you need. I use a software because trying to be organized can be overwhelming if you don't have like a system in place. So I have a system. That helps me. I just plug into the system. So the receipt for this, well, it's the soap inside. I'm reusing this. I'm always trying to save money. I know y'all are too. So I've been doing this at least since 2020. So I've been able to build my business credit up too. So if you have a business, a home-based business, this is going to work out great. We have a home-based business, so I'm able to build business credit and save money when I buy my, because for our office and our home-based business, what do we need? We need soap, we need cleaning supplies, we need trash bags, we need paper, we need a printer, we need pencils and pens. So all this stuff you need it, but it can also get you like a credit, a tax credit. Hey Buffalo, thanks for watching. So do you have a home-based business? If you have a home-based business, type 1 in the chat. All y'all who follow me have a home-based business or want one, but most of y'all have one. So this tip for you, right? You're watching this on Instagram, you're watching this on YouTube, on my text list, on my email list. Somebody, if you have a recommendation for how you build a text list for not hundreds of dollars a month, shoot me a message. Let's network. So that's a tip for you. That's a tip. So increasing your cash flow and your credit. So I was giving you a tip on business credit, but even for your personal credit, because if you have a home-based business, you can use a credit card and just put your business, use that credit card. So I actually have a Home Depot credit card only in my business name, and I use it for business. And so so if I spend so much money a year for my business using that card, I can build my credit, the personal credit or business credit, and get what I need for my household. Because if you're a stay-at-home mom or you work from home and you have kids, running your household is a business. So if you need help with like the accounting side so that you can save money, man, do what I'm doing. Build your business credit and get what you need for your house. And you can have it on auto. So each month it reminds you to order. I know it does that much. I don't know if it'll automatically order for you, but sometimes, we forget. We need help. You need a system. So if you want a system to like keep all your receipts, in business, your receipts equals cash. Business homeowners aren't like keeping shoe boxes full of receipts anymore. Some of you might. I'm not interested in that. I haven't since 2018. Everything's digital. When I gave my information to my CPA, you know, everything was there. Everything she needed. Boom, 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 boom. And so if you do this with your business expenses, you can save money. Oh, so for example, if you make $50,000, but you know you're only bringing home $35,000, I don't know, or $30,000 after taxes, well, why not find a way to bring more than that in? I hope I'm not confusing you. But anyways, build credit, save money. Get what you need for your household. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. So click the link in my bio, learn about income shifting. So click the link and click on where it says, what is income shifting? I hope it helps. See ya. Bye.